Welcome to Dorman Products Chevy Yukon third brake light installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered easy by our technicians and should take you 10 to 15 minutes to complete. To begin, open the vehicle hatch to allow access to the two bolts retaining the third brake light in its position. Remove the two bolts and set aside. Pull the brake light down and disconnect it from the plug-and-play connector. Detach the rubber housing around the original light and transfer onto your new third brake light. Pull connector out of its socket until you are able to access the cord from the original light assembly and disconnect. You may find it easier to use a pick tool to do this. Connect the new third brake light to the plug-and-play connector and push the cord back into its original position inside the socket. To complete installation, simply reattach bolts and press your brakes to ensure the light is working correctly.